Maybelline has released a new advent calendar for 2022 with 24 products. It retails for €59.95, and in here we have 18 full-size products, 3 minis and also 3 surprises. I'm very excited to unbox this. Let's remove the cover, and these are the boxes. Ooh, it's pretty. We have a cardboard packaging. Door number 1. It's heavy. I think this one is a nail polish. It's not. We have here the color tattoo 24 hours in pink gold. I have never tried this before. I'm very curious to swatch it. And let's take some of this beautiful color. Whoop. Oh, this is super nice. Very, very blendable. It is super shiny. You can also use this on your face as a highlighter if you like the color. And let's go now to day number 2. Lipstick. Wrong again. This one is the Cheek Heat Sheer Gel Cream Blush in the shade 30 Coral Amber. And oh my god, it's so tight. I love corally blushes. I'm curious if this is gonna be bright. Oh, it's very wearable, I think. And also it has a sheer coverage. Where did the color go? Oh my god. I applied a lot more. I like the color, but I'm not excited about the consistency. And now let's go to door number 3. Oh. It's not a palette. I'm gonna say again a nail polish. Oh my god, a gua sha! I didn't know they have skincare applicators. It has a nice weight to it. Also, it doesn't have any harsh edges. Actually, it is a nice surprise. I was expecting tweezers or a sharpener. Here we have door number 4. Lipstick. Oh, it's a mascara. This is the Falsies Volume Express Mascara. It is one of my favorite mascaras by Maybelline. It has a thin applicator with a curve. It is very easy to use and it gives a lot of volume. I'm very happy to find it in the advent calendar. Door number 5. Nail polish. I think this is the size of a nail polish. Ta-da! And we have here the color show 60 seconds. It is a nail polish in the shade 301. Love this sweater. I love this color. It is a muted nude beige nail color. Super beautiful. I'm used in finding red nail polishes in advent calendars by Maybelline. This is such a nice surprise. Moving on to day number 6. Oh, this feels like a nail polish again. I'm gonna say nail polish. It's not. And this one is the Lifter Gloss with hyaluronic acid in the shade 002 Ice. And I have actually tried this in a different color and I love the formula. So I'm very curious to try this very, very light shade. It is completely clear. And it has that sweet caramelly scent that I love. Day number 7 here. I think it's a sharpener. Oh, it's a mini mascara. This is the Falsies Lash Lift Mascara and it is the first mini product. For 1 second, I thought it was a mini of this mascara. Okay. And let's go now to door number 8. I'm gonna say a lipstick. I don't think it is. It's not. Oops. This is the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. Let's swatch it. Oh, we have a nice squeezable tube. It reminds me of the Smashbox Primer. Ooh, it gives a very nice soft matte finish on my hand. I like it. Up next, door number 9. I think it is a lip pencil or an eye pencil. Found it. This is the Tattoo Liner Sharpenable Gel Pencil in the shade Deep Onyx. So let's swatch this. It has a super creamy formula, a very rich dark black color, and it is very easy to blend. It dries a little bit faster, so you need to be fast. It gives a soft matte finish. You can use it as a base for a smoky eye look. Door number 10 sounds like a nail polish or a lipstick. Oh, it's a nail polish. This is the Superstay 7 Days Gel Nail Color Non-Stop Pink, and it is in the shade Flushed Pink 120. It is a super girly nail polish and the full size. Next we have door number 11. Lipstick. This is a creamy lipstick in the shade 642 in a latte beige, and it looks gorgeous. I'm very into brown lipsticks this season, not winter. Oh, it's so similar with what I have now. It smells amazing. The Tsureki scent is back! So, the creamy lipsticks by Maybelline are some of my favorites. They have great color payoff and are comfortable on the lips. This shade is a little bit pinkier than what I was expecting. It's not a true latte beige lipstick, however it can look gorgeous on a lot of skin tones. Let's continue with day 12. Lip pencil or brow pencil. It is a pencil. This is the Color Sensational Lip Liner in the shade 750 Choco Pop. Ooh, I like that we have other shades than other years. In the last 2-3 years we were getting the same colors of lipsticks and lip liners in the Maybelline Advent Calendars. I love the color. It is also blendable with a very nice color payoff. Very nice shade, and you can also use it with the previous lipstick. After that, door number 13. I think it is a sharpener. Found it! We have here the dual pencil sharpener, and I'm guessing this is one of the surprises. Am I right? Day number 14. I think it is a nail polish. It's not. Wrong again. And we have here the Color Tattoo 24-hour cream eyeshadow in Infinite White. It's a little bit cracked on the perimeter of the packaging. I hope it's not dry. And oh, I took a lot. Okay, not drying at all. It is super shimmery. I applied a lot of product, so we have a big swatch. I'm super curious to use it on my eyes. Of course, you can also use this shade as a creamy highlighter. Door number 15, mascara. This one is the Tattoo Liner Liquid Ink in the shade Ink Black. I don't think I have ever tried this. The packaging is very similar to my favorite Catrice eyeliner. Let's see the applicator. We have a sponge tip applicator. We also have it with the Catrice eyeliner. I love sponge tip applicators to apply my eyeliner. So let's see what is the finish. I'm going to let it dry and I will update you in a few doors. Here we have day 16. I'm guessing it is a mascara. It's not. I think I found one today. This is the Instant Anti-Age Multi-Use Concealer in the shade 1. And I actually was using this a lot a few years ago. After that I found other concealers. Also Maybelline has the Fit Me concealer that I like using all the time. I wanted to repurchase it, and this is actually my shade. So it is very fortunate that I got exactly my shade. However, this is not gonna work for everyone. And if I ever open it, I'm going to swatch it. Oh no, I think mine is broken. I don't hear the click, 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 click. So you need to twist it and then press it. Oh, okay. I got the product. It is soundproof. It has a creamy formula. I want to have it in another concealer review. It would be nice if we could choose the shade of the concealer because not everyone can use it. An update for the eyeliner. It is completely dry now. And as it seems, we have a shiny finish. I prefer a matte finish for my eyeliners. Let's continue with day 17. Ow! Ow, that was so loud. I think it is a lip pencil. It's not. This is the Tattoo Liner Gel Pencil in the shade 942 Rich Berry. Nice! Let's swatch this. Oh, such a beautiful berry shade. And it is very creamy to use on the eyelid, also in the waterline. Such a pretty color. And day 18 looks and sounds like a nail polish. Whoop! This is a fast gel nail lacquer in the shade 12 Rebel Red, and we have actually never got this one again in the Maybelline Advent Calendars. We always get this formula for the red nail polishes. We have this beautiful bright red nail polish. It is perfect for the holidays. I have never tried this formula. Let me know in the comments if you like the Maybelline nail polishes. Let's go to day 19. Mascara. I think it's a mascara again. Oh, it is! We have here the Colossal mascara in black, and this one is the third mini. Day 20. It sounds like a coupon or a sheet mask. Oh, it's not. This is a traceless earring by the brand Invisible. Why do we have this in a Maybelline Advent Calendar? So we have 3 elastic hair ties. I stopped using them because they are cutting off my hair. This is definitely one of the surprises. Day 21. Pencil. Definitely a pencil. This is the Liner Refine Expression Kajal. It is a soft kohl liner in the shade 33 Black, and we're getting this eye pencil every year in every advent calendar by Maybelline. I actually brought mine because I'm not gonna swatch the new one, and I want to show you the consistency. It is a very nice eye pencil. I wish we had a different color. And it is also very easy to blend. Following that, day 22. I think it is a nail polish again. So we have here the Superstay 7 Days Gel Nail Color in the Rooftop shade 912. It is super beautiful. I like that we have this moody pink shade for fall and winter. Door 23 here. Whoops, that was a mistake. Brow pencil, eye pencil, lip pencil. We have here the color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in the shade Dusty Rose, and this is a twistable lip pencil. Also on the other side we have the sharpener, and let's swatch this beautiful lip pencil. Whoops, let's try again. This is a beautiful Dusty Rose shade, and it is very blendable. It gives a soft matte finish. Let's continue with Door 24, which is very tall. Yeah, it doesn't fit all of the box. Maybe we have a brush. It's a mascara. This is the Colossal Curl Bounce Mascara. I have never tried this before, and it is in the shade 1, very black. I'm curious about the applicator. Oh, it is curved. It's not like the Colossal mascara. I'm super happy to get this. I think it was released this year. Yeah, early this year. For this advent calendar, I am between 4.5 stars and 5 stars because of the variety. We have 2 black eye pencils, 4 nail polishes, and also 4 mascaras. Let me know in the comments how many stars you are giving, and you can find here my unboxing of the Essence Advent Calendar.